Deep in the heart of one of the UK's most modern towns, innovation is shifting up a gear. Why? Because within these walls is the mechanical engineering powerhouse of Red Bull Racing, combined with the ExxonMobil experts to make the ultimate team in Formula One. The latest Red Bull Racing Challenger is a very powerful machine, but without control, all of this power means nothing. In Formula One, a steering wheel is so much more than a simple device for turning left and right. It is the access port to activate hundreds of different decisions the driver needs to make during his time on the track. Worth more than a highly spec'd saloon car, the carbon fibre steering wheel is the command and control centre for every aspect of the car's management, from gear changes to engine modes. Without it, no aspect of the car would be able to function correctly. The steering wheel is the only part of the car that must be removable in the event of an accident. The driver extraction test by the FIA is very specific. Drivers must be able to remove their belts, take off the wheel and get out of the car within 7 seconds, as well as being able to replace the steering wheel within 12 seconds. The wheel, which is actually shaped more like a bow tie with hand grips at either side, can perform up to 120 different functions through its 20 buttons. Such functions include controlling the clutch, engaging DRS, and talking to the team over the radio. Such a complicated interface has often been compared to operating an advanced calculator at nearly 200 miles per hour. Some of the systems on the steering wheel require hydraulic pressure in order to operate. And on Red Bull Racing Formula One cars, these are expertly operated by Mobil SHC hydraulic oil. Whilst conversations with their engineers are commonplace during track stints, the driver is not actually allowed to receive driving advice. The driver must therefore have a deep understanding of all areas of their car. The steering wheel has a light-sensitive LED display, and these are standard amongst all Formula One cars. These give the drivers all the information they need in order to manage their car. Lap deltas, brake and tyre temperatures, hybrid energy deployment, and engine modes that can adjust the fuel flow rates. Once more underlining the fact that F1 driving isn't simply about going fast. Lastly, the primary materials that go into making a steering wheel include carbon fibre, silicon, fiberglass, titanium and copper. These form everything from the circuitry within to the outer casing. And once again, it's Mobil SHC hydraulic oil that helps facilitate tasks such as gear shifts and clutch activation, highlighting how the worlds of Mobil lubricants and Red Bull Racing come together to take Formula One racing to the next level.